Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of JB Outdoors. Today I'm super excited to tell you guys I got Starlink internet. So, Starlink.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, held tight up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action.
So, Starlink internet has been pretty much the only option that I could possibly get for internet in my area. As you guys can tell, I have these massive trees around my house. Two huge maples out front and these absolutely massive old oaks in the backyard. With that being said, we live in a rural enough area that we don't get fiber, we don't get cable. Pretty much the only thing available is a phone card style router that doesn't even give a half a megabyte or megabit for upload speed. So as someone who wants to try to upload stuff to YouTube here and then, I cannot use that. And then that with data caps doesn't work. February of 2021, I put a deposit on Starlink. It's a $99 deposit to get put on the list, basically. So when they become available in your area, depending on where you're at on the list, you get Starlink. So it is now May of 2022. So a year and 4 months, if that math works out. A year and 4 months later, I finally got the Starlink. So initial cost was, the deposit was $99 plus $535 with taxes and everything included in that number. So we had a total of $635 just in getting the kit to start. So that plus $110 a month monthly fee for the service. So this is the box that I was greeted with. I've already installed the system, so this is an empty box. So it was awesome, totally awesome to see that pulling in one day when I got home from work. So I'm going to take you guys up on my roof and show you how I mounted the system, and then show you how easy it is. It's literally 3 components. So you have the mount, your satellite dish, and then your router. Now within the satellite dish, it actually has a fair amount of cable. I don't know if it's 50 to 75 feet, don't quote me on that, but it was absolutely plenty of cable to get inside my house, and I'll show you guys how I ran it. So we're gonna go up on the roof. This is just a single story ranch, so if you guys have something like this as a house, super simple to get into the house. Especially the way I did it, it worked out really well. So here is the actual satellite dish unit. So the mount, I just put a little bit of tar down. I already had tar from something else that I did up here, and then I used just regular screws. The holes in the feet were small enough to the point where I couldn't use a lag bolt that I had available. I think that you could use a 1/4 inch lag bolt, but I used these decking screws here. So this actual satellite dish is interactive, so it moves depending on where the satellites are, and that helps keep the best service available. So as you can see, I'm just going to move the camera up towards the angle. I have obstructions no matter what, so I'm kind of screwed either way. So I have trees on either side of my house, and this is in line with the actual line of satellites. So it all works out. I do show that I'm obstructed for up to 2 hours a day, but I still see speeds of between 80 and 160 megabits per second, and then like 30 megabits per second upload speed. So that is absolutely like out of this world for me to even be considered for internet like that. So now I'm able to upload YouTube videos, I'm able to do you know, keep my computer updated. I have a gaming PC that multiple games that I haven't been able to play in years now because I just don't have the internet for it. So now we finally have the internet. No data cap storage, or no data storage cap or anything like that, however you say that. So what I did to run the cable is I ran that up into one of my roof vents. This roof vent is for the attic, and from there I just ran the cable into the house that way, so I didn't have to drill any holes. I don't have to worry about any leaking or anything like that. So we'll go back down and I'll show you guys what the router looks like. So we're just above where the attic is on the inside of the house. This is the attic access. We have our coat closet that is right inside of our main door. So the cable I was able to run from the attic, and I drilled a hole up here. So the hole is a lot bigger than I wish I could have been, because the end of the cable actually has a really big end on it. And then from there, I have the router just right here. So that's plugged in, and that's literally it, guys. So we finally have high-speed internet. So it's literally like the most exciting thing that's happened for our YouTube channel. It's been a long time coming. So that being said, we are expecting to start cranking YouTube videos out. We were able to do it for a little while. You start using a GoPro or anything better quality, your files get absolutely enormous, and it's almost impossible to upload any kind of big videos. So again, I'm Justin with JB Outdoors. Remember to spend more time outdoors, and thank you guys again for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like anything outdoors. We do pretty much everything. So see you guys on the next video.